Hey there. So today I'm super excited because I finally received the viral 4K digital camera that I have been seeing all over TikTok for 2 months now. And I actually got mine on Amazon, and which I'm going to share the link below because they have several different versions on Amazon. And I did a compare and contrast on uh, the differences, and this seemed to be the best option for the money. I paid $89.99 for it, I think. But anyway, I've not opened it yet. I just received it a couple hours ago, so I'm going to bring you guys along to see what's inside. Okay, so let's do this. This actually came inside a brown Amazon box. When I pulled this out, there's no tape on it or anything. It just slides out like this. And okay, let's see. Little foam protector. Okay, here is the camera in the box. There's a little plastic protector over the lens. There's not a lens cover, which is interesting. So I'm gonna pull this out. Let's see. So it's kind of like a little foam protector. And here is the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic covering off. Okay, so there we go. And then there is a digital screen on the back. I'm going to take the plastic off of that too. Okay, and so one of the things I did like about this camera that I was kind of sold on is that the screen pops out. So you can take a selfie and see what you're taking an image of. You can take videos of yourself. Or it can just be this way if you're taking photos and videos of other people. I'm going to go ahead and sit this aside for a second, and then we'll see what else is in the box, and then we'll take a closer look at the camera. So in here is just like a little satin protector bag. There is a user manual, and it's pretty small, but it's a simple camera. And then let's see. So then we have, sorry, this was inside here. Open this. So this is a battery, a second battery. So it does come with two batteries, which is cool. This is, it looks like an HDMI cable for charging. And so this is the adapter, or the outlet, I guess. You get a little string to tie, or like wristlet to tie onto the camera. And oh, look, it does come with a lens cap. That's good. When I first opened it, I was like, I don't know why it doesn't start on there, but there is a lens cap in there, which is great. And then here we have a USB cord, USB-C, it looks like. You can see that, and then that, and this might be for the charger. I'm not sure what the HDMI cable's for. We'll figure that out here in a second. But then there's an itty bitty 32 gigabyte memory card. And I could have sworn when I purchased this that it also came with an SD card slot. But I could be wrong about that. I don't see an SD card slot. Oh, and something else that I ordered to go with this, and I can show later, and I'll put a link below, but it hasn't arrived yet, is an iPhone adapter. So you can plug the camera into your iPhone, and it will upload the photos to your camera. So that makes it great because then you're not uploading to your computer and then having, you know, the whole thing. You know how it is. So I'm going to get the batteries in this camera. And let's see here. If I can do this quickly. Otherwise, I might pause the video for a second. And you know what? These, I don't know. These might need to be charged. Let's just see. So here is the battery slot down here. This looks like it goes like this. Is that right? Oh, there's like a little prong. You kind of have to push out of the way to get it in. There we go. Okay, it's in. Let's see if we can turn it on. Okay, so it's on. It's set to auto right now. Let me figure out where we need to put the, oh, it looks like the little memory card slot is right there, possibly. That's what it looks like, but there's not a cover on it. So let me double check on that. The side is where the HDMI and USB-C can go, and then there's a microphone slot too. So that's nice if you're planning to do video. I really purchased this for pictures, to take photographs, but I would love to take video with it and see how it turns out. One thing I did like about this is, so this is a 52 millimeter lens, but it has a zoom. So, oh, and it has an f-stop of 2.2 to 3. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm sorry. Yeah, it has an f-stop that goes as low as 2.2, and the range is 37 millimeter to 52 millimeter. So that's pretty cool. And you can zoom with the buttons back here. Sorry, you can't see because I'm just pointing at a blank wall. Or I wonder, no, you can't rotate the lens. So you're zooming from the back. Let me get this memory card in. Here it is. I'm guessing, I'm going to pause for just a sec. I want to make sure I'm putting this in the right spot. Okay, so I did charge it for just a minute or two while I kind of quickly went through the instruction manual. I did figure out that is in fact the micro SD card slot right there. So that's where you put your memory card. Oh, and I also, 3 things that were in the box that I hadn't shown yet. This little after sales service card, cleaning cloth for the lens and the digital screen. And then there's this cute kind of how-to manual. So this is different than the big booklet, which is the instruction manual. This is kind of more of a quick how-to guide, which is really nice. If you're new to using any cameras, this is probably pretty helpful. And it's helpful to anybody. So, okay, so one thing I will note that you have to charge the battery directly from the camera. So I plugged this into the USB-C port right here, that middle one, and then the whole camera just charges. So there's not like a battery adapter or anything. So that's how you charge it. I do have a full battery, and I did only charge it for a couple minutes, I think. But let's see, I wanted to take a couple pictures. Okay. All right, so it's in live mode, so you can see like my hand right here. I am going to first, I have the flash on, even though I probably don't need it because I have pretty good light in here. But I'm just going to, well, actually, you know what? Let me do a selfie. So I have this turned around. Okay, so, and just so you can see, this is the power button. This is the fire button. So you gotta make sure you're touching the right one. Actually, I'm going to do up and down like this. Okay. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh, not bad. That's pretty good. I know there's not many elements here. I just have a blank wall behind me, but I'm happy with the quality of that. I can't wait to play with it a little bit more, you know, go outside, and I think you can change the settings, you can change the ISO. I don't know how manual it is. I don't know if you can select the f-stop or anything like that, but you can control the zoom. So let's see. Anyway, I'm excited to play with this a lot more. There are a lot of settings to go through. I'm not going to do that in this video, but so far, I think for $89.99, this is a great purchase. Again, I'm going to put the links below. Also, it is July currently, so Prime Day is coming up very quickly. I think July 16th through the 17th, or 16th through the 18th. I know it starts July 16th. But anyway, I would definitely check this link during that time frame, because there's a good chance that it is going to be even more discounted. Also, I got this next day. So I think I ordered it. Is that right? Yeah, I just ordered this yesterday, and it arrived this morning at 8 a.m. on my porch. So and I'm in Frisco, Texas. So obviously I think it depends on the location, but anyway, I'm very excited to use this and to play around. Again, hopefully I can come back and show you some other sample images from this. But for right now, I'm super excited. Thanks for watching.